Guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss how we can upload data from different resources in our Google Colab. So first of all, for example, you have the public data in some GitHub repository. For example, I have made this repository and I have this CSV file, flight.csv on this my GitHub account. So how you can directly download this CSV file from GitHub to your Google Colab? So simply copy this URL and move this cell up. What I want, I just say public data, make it heading, shift enter. Okay, so how we can get the public data? We have the command wget exclamation mark wget and paste this URL, control C, control V. Click on this folder icon. Here we have, you can say, the our data in the current session. We don't have here the flight.csv. Shift enter, run this. Okay, say download it, click on it. Here you can see it have downloaded the flight.csv. Next is, for example, you have this flight.csv in your Google Drive. So how we can connect our Google Colab with Google Drive? So Google Drive. Okay, click on this folder icon. Here you can see we have this the folder on which we have this Google Drive icon. Click on it. It will connect your Google Colab Jupyter notebook with your Google Drive. But we also have the, you can say, the command. What is the command? From Google dot Colab import drive, and then we need to mount that drive. So content and drive. Press shift enter. Then it will show the message pop up like, either you want to connect your Google Drive with your Google Colab Jupyter notebook. I say yes, connect to Google Drive. Then I have to select my account that I want to connect. Simply click on this account. Then it will ask the permission like, do you want to see, edit, create, view the photo? Simply click on allow. Then it will connect your Google Drive with your Google Colab Jupyter notebook. Just wait. Here you can see we have the folder of drive. Next one is, for example, you have the data of just like a CSV file in your local system. So how you can upload the data from local system to Google Colab? Simply click on this folder icon. Here you can see this is the upload the session storage. Simply click on desktop, and here I have flight.csv open. Upload file will get deleted. Okay. Close this. So next one is, everyone know we have the pandas function pd.read csv. So read the file. Simply import pandas as pd.read csv slides.csv, and I want to see first top 5 rows. Great. So now in this tutorial you have see how we can connect data from different resources to Google Colab Jupyter Notebook. So that's it for today. If you like my video, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Let's meet another